Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingy. People, me say no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingy. Remember me telling you.
Yeah, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. Hope say everybody out there do well. You see it? Yeah, man, once to give thanks to the moment, give thanks to the uprising. Yeah, man, once to give thanks to all the people them who are passed through and take the time out for click the subscription button and engage in the comment section and all of them nice things. You see it? As me always say, we don't take nothing for granted. So gratitude is a must. So we just say, give thanks. And if you just a pass through on the first time, you say the channel. And if you pass through already but you didn't choose to click the subscription button, may I ask you to click the subscription button. Click the like button. Share the video with your friend them and all of them nice things. So you see it and make it grow the channel so we can continue to hold them kind of reasoning with the them. You see it? So today I go hold a little reasoning on some of them little unrealistic expectation where some people might have differently still. You see it? Because some of them things, when time people have unrealistic expectation upon people, more time it can cause some like unwarranted payments and then kind of sitting there. You see it? Some more time, we see people come to Jamaica and people, you have different levels of people who travel to and from Jamaica. See? And one of them kind of people here, where they make their money, but they make their money from different means, you see it? By the hook or the crook, people make their money. See? So you have them kind of people you know where them have them kind of money there and they can afford to do certain kind of things. So some of them people we have come a yard and then floss off the whole community. Then bring in 10 barrel and the 10 barrel are just to give to people. Because they afford to do it, they can do them kind of things. But in a real reality differently still, you have one next set of Jamaican where fly in a Jamaica. And them people them depend the straight and narrows, them would I say. And them depend the 9 to 5. So them are put in some kind of struggling where it take enough resilience and it take enough kind of sacrifice to achieve certain things. See? But when time them things they now achieve differently still, them people they still have in a one whole heap of struggle to maintain them things there. See? But you have some people now where them are the picture reader. You have people where read the words in the book. And you have some people just skip the page and read the pictures. See? So they miss the real story behind the picture. And more times, some of them little things are differently still. When people read the picture, it creates some kind of vibration where it's almost like people get impatient certain kind of way, you know. And when people get impatient, because The man where they are foreign and they must struggle to deal with certain things, you know. Him have to actually sort out himself before he can even think about sorting out other people differently still. You understand? Because just take for example, you have, me I go say, you have 2 youth or 3 youth, 4 youth in a one community, and all of them little youth there, then grow together. Everybody grow together and everybody struggle. You see it? Some people get for them bust through different various means, you understand, and then get them help through different ways, and people create their own opportunity through various different means same way too. Cause the youth them a grow up and the youth them become man, you know, and some of them fly out. So for example, you have one youth we call Tony, you know. Tony fly out Ghana, Canada. And you have Jack, and Jack fly out Ghana, all of Germany and then kind of thing there. See? And just follow the little example here differently still. And wanna just share your thoughts upon it same way too, you see? Like all Tony Ghana a Canada now, you know, see? And Tony left yard with the mindset say, I buy the hook or the crook. You understand? Some man go take enough risk and them kind of things there. And Tony they had Canada. And making moves and doing hustle and all kind of different things. But the move them where Tony make it come with certain kind of risk, as me say, and chances. You see it? But the chances come with choice same way too. You see it? So the choice where Tony take, it might end up say Tony reaching a one place where it kinda set him back in a certain kind of levels. See? But watch all Jack, you know, Jack they are Germany, and Jack married and Jack turned Christian. So Jack just want to live one normal, straight, decent life differently still. Him no want none drama to him thing. See? And then Jack, remember Jack and Tony are brethren, them a come from the same grassroots. You understand? Them a play cricket together as little youth and go same school and all kind of sitting, cooking a bush and all kind of sitting. You see it? So Jack now, him do for him little thing and take out for him little loan and do him little mortgage and buy one little place, and now it look like I say Jack life bright, but Jack tie into some kind of obligations where him have to kind of fulfill every month, cause remember say all of this where you see Jack with the nice car or the nice little house where him take out the mortgage for acquire. But now it look like I said Jack life brighter than for Tony, cause Tony getting a problem and get, you understand, send back a yard, so for him life kinda get stunned one way. So now Tony a look upon Jack like I say, Jack owe him the obligation for help him out and struggle. When the two of them when basically get two opportunity, one choose the way there, the other one choose the way there. So the different choices bring the different reality. See? So now, tell me now if it wrong if Tony start to look on Jack like Jack owe him the responsibility for help him out of a situation. Cause I don't know how people would term out them kind of things there. Cause how me see it is almost like some unrealistic expectation where Tony would have upon Jack then now. Cause Tony not really pay attention to the obligation where Jack have to uphold every month. Plus him have his family to take care of. Him have his bills to take care of. Him have all of these things to go through. And remember say, he's a 9-to-5 man, so he live by month. And all of him salary and all of him things them where him acquire, it all tie up together. You understand? So if this a man not sort out himself properly, it's almost impossible for him stretch himself out of the way to reach to that man there. You see it? But now it seems like I say, man start to hold certain kind of feelings now. Where it seems like I say, Jack is obligated to take care of Tony, even though Tony caused himself to do with him there. Because as me saying, you have different kind of people where travel to Jamaica. The people them where travel to Jamaica and create the impression say, when you come a yard and you can issue 10 barrel free, everybody gets something out of it. You see one time them people they kind of create them kind of reality there. The reality there it's set like a standard, you know. So anybody who fly go foreign now, these are the standard by which them judge you by. So people loyalty now start to get judged based upon what amount of material you can give. You understand? So your loyalty now start to get measured by material. Because people now only zoom in on the picture, as me say, but them now read the story behind the picture. And more time them things that cause some people to get impatient, you know. And as old people always say, you say patience is a virtue. And if people get impatient and don't want to wait, then turn differently still. And don't want to help. Even if you want to help in a one way where you just offer words of encouragement. You understand? Words of strength so people can just work together and just harness them strength there. And manifest what we get manifest. Now it's like people now get impatient because they measure your loyalty based upon what you can do for them within the time where them things say you're supposed to do it for them. And them things that come like some sick kind of meditation I reach with people them differently still, is it? Because everybody who travel go foreign now, their life get judged based upon some unrealistic expectation. You see it, because some people create some impression to make it seem like I say, once you're there foreign, everything good. And because you have a bridge in a yard, and for whatever reason, in life might not they in the same standard as how them want it to be. It feel like I say Jack owe Tony the obligation to take him out of the situation where he put himself in. See? I know enough people can relate to them kind of story, you know. And then people get payments in some unwarranted kind of way. Because now it feel like I say, you turn your back on your brethren them. But watch you now, I'm show you a thing. You see, when people life change, changes come with people life. Everything get, and not necessarily the person change, you know, but the situation start to change. So if you and the little youth grow up together, on a turn man you know and the youth go baptize and him go married now and him start to live in life. First time when when teenager when used to play domino in a shop peers and whatever. For him life now it start to change because he get in job, he have his family to take care of. He have responsibilities, you know. So guess what happened? The time when he used to come around and so come play domino, it have got use now to do something productive because he have his family to take care of him, have responsibilities. See? So now in life go transform. And not necessarily the youth change, you know. Just the situations around him change. Now you have some people out there now where they look on the youth now and them start to interpret the changes of the situation around the youth. As we say, the youth start to change and them start to change how them relate to the youth. So if we see them things there happen, what you think say go on? If the youth get the message, the youth go get the message, you know. And if the youth realize him bridging them around him start to change just because a film situation change, people go start to think like, what go on? You understand? Because some of them little mentality, you know. Because it's a mentality and it's a mindset thing, you know. Where people are here probably just think say, when them say opportunity they are foreign, it means you can just do anything and everything. Like them not understand say everything and anything come with consequences. And anything and everything come with responsibilities same way too. And if a man not in a position for let's say, because this is one of the most thing where people talk about when they're in their yard. If one of them brethren fly out, they must say to them brethren say, yo, give me a bus no man. But watch you know, you see if your brethren live at somebody's yard a foreign, him have to share accommodation because him not getting footing properly on the ground yet. And more time some of them think they take years. And if him not have him proper footing on the ground, and you there yard and I expect say, because you and the youth they are bridging now and grow up together, him owe you the obligation for create a way for bring you a foreign. Because watch you now, you say if him bring you a foreign, a film responsibility, you know, him have to go find somewhere to put you. And if him not have nowhere to put you, why sense him a go bring you a foreign differently still? Because some people them like them just sit down in a them community and them think about certain things and them things are like once you left the airport and you land in a one airport, that's it. You don't have nothing else to think about other than to fly out from Jamaica and touch down. Because once you touch down, everything go good. You not think about where you have to go stay. How you are going to live when time you there in a place before you get on the footings. What amount of responsibility that is for somebody who go take you up if them not have the capacity or the financial backing to do them kind of things. It's like people don't realize that people are struggling in foreign just like how people are struggling yard. Yes, the same way like how people they are yard I do their 9 to 5 and them a struggle with their mortgage and them kind of sitting there. I see them where people they are foreign. I do their 9 to 5 and I struggle with their mortgage same way too. The only difference are the conversion of the currency. But if you check out it, people, the people lifestyle, it basic. I see them levels people are live upon. Me hear twins have one thing where master man, if you're a fool of yard, you're going to be the same fool of foreign. You see it? So people have to start to wise up themselves and start to think out of the box, think out of the island. Not just a think about this one moment where we are think say, I fly, I want to fly out. Start to think about what I want to do when I'm going to fly out. Start to think about if you don't want to bridging for fly on out, what you go do for take care of yourself. Because all of that are part of the responsibility same way. A part of the responsibility where people go off a foot if them decide to say alright, them just go loosely take up one of them bridging affair. Them have to go deal with all of them thing there, wait out all of them time there. Bear all of them responsibility there. Accommodate people, put up people for live till you find job, get your papers straight, all kind of different kind of setting. If your brethren not have that kind of way to help you, how you go get in some kind of way where you feel like I said, your brethren turn him back because him not have that kind of way there to help with the expectation where you not create in our mind about your brethren them affair. And then you know say people are change. You not blame people say people are change. We have to do better than how we are think, man. We have to do better than how we are think, cause we are do things where it mess up kind of friendship. People are pre each other. People are wonder, I want me do that person there. People are wonder, how comes that person then not link me? I just because of some of them little stupid kind of expectation where people have from people, and if people now fulfill them expectation, then now people start to get vexed and I say people change. And them not realize say not even a person change, or just the situation around the person change. And people just look upon things with spot. Are just the picture alone they want to see. Hey, you see when time I look at youth, me used to see some people in my community and me used to think that them people are rich. And I know when time I man I have my own responsibilities. I have things now where me have to deal with, me have my own obligations to deal with, me have my own family to take care of and all of them things. Me realize that you know say them people are not rich. Ambition the people them we have enough. And the people them when I struggle to keep them family together and keep whatever they have going. I won't just simply ambition the people them we have. When time we in a little naive mind, I think they are some rich people them. But if we even know, if we could even know some of the struggles where people have to deal with just to acquire some things where they have. While you have some people now just sit down and look upon people things and just look upon the outer picture and get impatient and start to make it look like them brethren change upon them. Yo, we have to pray better than how we are praying, man. Because people are get hurt unnecessarily. You see it? More times some people are get hurt in a yard unnecessarily. Just because of one impression. Because you have some people differently still now where when they come a yard, them come a yard for few weeks. And them floss off the most and them do the most and live the nicest life and them kind of things. But you see when time they come back a foreign, then come back a foreign in a debt. And them have to struggle to get back themselves together. And that's a real reality. A whole heap of opportunity there, you know. You see, if the man them just start to open their mind and start to look around them, then realize the amount of resources around them where they can use. But I choose some people now, they want to shallow up their mind. They don't want to broaden their horizon. They don't want to, when you talk to them about business and show them certain kind of things where you know they can work. Because you see things that work in the place where you're there. And you know say these things can work in a them place there, and you pitch them ideas there to people. And people now want to entertain them kind of ideas there now. Them just want you to send them a thing. And it creates some kind of lazy mindset in a people, and them kind of lazy mindset there. It creates what people call, you understand? Envy and them kind of things, you see? But somehow we mind want to wake up. We have seen enough things around us where we can take advantage of. Jamaica one live place, Jamaica one vibrant place. And the world are open up to Jamaica right here now. People can take advantage of Jamaica right there up on the rock. Instead of just look upon the brother where they struggle and start to make it look like I say. You understand? We have to wake up and know what we are doing, man, because life is not a bed of roses to people are foreign. See? People are foreign and struggle same way because people have their responsibilities. The amount of things where people can get free in a Jamaica, you know. I not say life not harder than them kind of things, you know. But when time you look on the balance of it, with the amount of bills that people have in a foreign versus the amount of bills that some people have in a Jamaica. The things where people can get free in a Jamaica versus the things where people can get free in a foreign. So that me I talk about, you see it? So massive. I want to give thanks to the moment, you know, and want some more life and more blessing to you people, you see. I just want to ask the youth them who they are Jamaica. You say if you have the mindset for go foreign, Make sure so when time when you get the bus and you make the most of an opportunity. See? Don't take no fast route. Be patient. And most of all, learn a skill before you go for it. It gonna help you. See? Yeah man, so in the meantime, go and bless up the themselves. Take care of the them family. Until the next video, Rastafari live.